I got where I couldn't hardly walk, couldn't bend down to clean anything, do yard work, and I'm back to doing everything I did prior to surgery.
What surgery did you have and how long ago was it?
I had my knee replacement 6 weeks ago,
What?
and I've had a really easy time of recovery. Everything's gone really smooth. It's way better than before I had the surgery. I got where I couldn't hardly walk, couldn't bend down to clean anything, do yard work, and I'm back to doing everything I did prior to surgery.
How many days did you take pain meds after surgery?
I took it the first and second day, and then that was it.
And definitely would do it again, it sounds like.
I may have to.
Fair enough.
The shot's working, so
Okay.
I'm not going to do it until it has to. But
Show us your knee. Straighten that knee out as far as you can for me. Great. Now, can you show us your bend? I'll just come from the side here. Wow. Fantastic. You did great. Thank you.
Like I said, it was way easier than I thought it was going to be. So.
Well, I'm proud of you.